everyone, today we're going to talk about something very important for your life and learning. We're going to explore how to learn English in a natural, simple, and powerful way. Many learners try hard for years, but still struggle to speak fluently. The reason is not lack of intelligence, it is usually the method they use. In this video, I will guide you step by step. Just stay focused and try to imagine each idea in your own learning life. If you follow these steps with patience, your English will improve naturally over time. Step 1. Listen to English every day. Listening is the first and most powerful step in learning English. When you listen to English every day, your brain slowly starts recognizing sounds, words, and sentence patterns. At the beginning, you may not understand much, and that is completely normal. Do not stop. Even if you understand only a few words, your brain is still learning in the background. Listen to stories, conversations, songs, and simple videos. The more you expose yourself to English, the more familiar it becomes. Little by little, your brain starts to connect meaning with sound. This is how natural understanding begins. Step 2. Practice speaking without fear. Speaking is where real improvement happens. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. Every time you speak, even with errors, your confidence grows. Start simple. Speak short sentences. Talk to yourself. Describe your daily life in English. Even if it feels strange, keep going. Fluency is built through action, not perfection. Step 3. Read simple English content. Reading helps you build vocabulary and understand sentence structure. Start with very easy materials. Do not try to read difficult texts too early. Read short stories, simple articles, and beginner books. When you read, focus on meaning first, not every single word. Slowly, your brain begins to recognize common words and sentence patterns. This makes future reading easier and faster. Step 4. Write in English daily. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. When you write, your brain works more deeply with the language. You are not just recognizing English, you are producing it. Start with simple writing. Write about your day. Write short sentences. Do not worry about mistakes. For example, today I woke up early. I studied English. I feel happy. This simple habit builds strong improvement over time. Step 5. Watch English videos. Watching English content helps you connect words with real situations. You hear pronunciation, expressions, and natural speech. Watch movies, YouTube videos, cartoons, or interviews. At first, you may need subtitles. That is fine. Over time, try to reduce them. This helps your brain understand English without translation. Step 6. Talk to real people. Real communication builds real confidence. Try to speak with friends, classmates, or online partners. Even short conversations are powerful. Do not wait until you feel ready. You become ready by practicing. Every conversation improves your fluency step by step. Step 7. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is not a fast process. Some days you will improve. Some days you will feel stuck. This is normal. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. What matters is consistency, not speed. Step 8. Use a dictionary wisely. A dictionary is a helpful tool, but use it correctly. Do not just translate words. Try to understand meaning and usage. Then make your own sentences with new words. This helps your memory become stronger and more active. Step 9. Play and learn. Learning does not always have to feel serious. Use games, quizzes, and fun activities in English. When learning is enjoyable, your brain remembers better. Fun creates motivation, and motivation keeps you consistent. Step 10. Think in English. One of the most powerful steps is thinking in English. At first, you may translate from your language, but try to slowly reduce that habit. Start with simple thoughts. I am hungry. I am going outside. This trains your brain to process English naturally. Step 11. Set small goals. Goals give direction to your learning. Instead of trying to do everything at once, set small daily goals. For example, learn 5 new words. Watch 10 minutes of English. Speak one sentence daily. Small goals create steady progress. Step 12. Review what you learn. If you do not review, you will forget. Go back to your notes, words, and lessons regularly. Repetition strengthens memory. The more you review, the longer you remember. Step 13. Stay positive. Your mindset affects your learning. If you believe you can improve, your brain works better. If you think you cannot, your progress slows down. Always encourage yourself. Even small improvement is progress. Step 14. Accept mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake shows you what to improve. Do not feel ashamed. Instead, learn from it and move forward. Step 15. Enjoy the process. Learning becomes easier when you enjoy it. Find joy in small achievements. Every new word is progress. Every sentence you understand is success. Enjoy the journey, not just the result. Step 16. Surround yourself with English. Make English part of your environment. Listen to English music. Watch English videos. Change your phone language. The more English you see and hear, the faster you learn. Step 17. Repeat every day. Repetition is the key to mastery. Repeat words, listen again, practice again, and review again. Consistency turns knowledge into fluency. Even a few minutes every day makes a big difference over time. Now, remember this. English is not something you learn in one day. It is something you build step by step. If you stay consistent, patient, and active, you will improve more than you imagine. Start today, even with one small step. Because every expert was once a beginner who never gave up. If this video helped you, don't just leave quietly. Like this video, subscribe for more powerful lessons, and comment